Hello, I'm Brian.
I'm Michelle.
And we are cruising with the Colemans.
Welcome to Utrecht, in the Netherlands, and our last stop on this tour in the Netherlands.
We're standing here in Dom Square in front of the Dom Tower, where 350 years ago tonight, a tornado destroyed the church that would have been in this plaza right behind us.
I was laughing at what you were saying, and then you said tornado, and I was like, whoa, this feels like we're back in the Midwest or something. We don't like tornadoes.
Well, don't worry. They did build a new church.
Oh, gosh.
It's right back here. Wait.
Oh, gosh.
It's right there. And we're going to go check it out along with some other things here in Utrecht.
This is a great little town. I think I'm going to say it. It's my favorite of all the places we've visited so far. What do you think?
Yeah, it's not overly touristy and it's not overly congested. Although we did walk by a bike parking garage this morning that had 5,000 spots open.
I think one of the things that I just love about the Netherlands in general is the bike culture. I love that it's flat. I mean, if you've been following us all summer, you know we have been through the hills and the mountains of northern Spain, but the Netherlands is a great way to end this trip. And I think this little town is also a really great time to end our time in the Netherlands because it's so quaint. We hope you enjoy this tour.
Check out our adventure from today.
I give Utrecht 2 ice cream cones up.
Look what we found.
Gluten-free cone, regular cone, good ice cream. That's always a good sign of a city.
So what do you think of Utrecht, Michelle?
I like it a lot.
Why?
It is bigger than some of the other places that we visited, so there's a lot more things to see. It's not touristy. There's a lot of shopping, but not like souvenir shopping.
Very, very vibrant city center, great restaurant scene, lots of stores.
The canals remind me of San Antonio.
But it's not a tourist trap.
And it's a university town, so it has that energy. Of course, it's a biking town.
I love that our kayak guide said that in the summer in Utrecht, every day is like a Sunday.
The canals are so calm. They're so great. You can rent a boat and go like far, right?
I mean, all the way to Frankfurt.
Yeah, I mean,
Technically.
you can really get out and see the area from a totally different landscape. So I give Utrecht 2 thumbs up. It has been one of my favorites so far, and I'm glad that we got here. I'm sad that our trip is coming to an end.
We hope you have enjoyed our time here in the Netherlands.
It has been an absolutely wonderful, I don't know, week, 8 days, 10 days. I don't know how long it's been.
Got lost track. All right, let's
enjoyed.
Summarize. Amsterdam, pros and cons.
The cons are the trash all over the place.
It was a very dirty city. I was really shocked by that.
The cons are, okay, we didn't talk about it yet, but the coffee shops where you buy marijuana, they're everywhere, and that's fine. I don't care. However, the lingering smell throughout.
I really felt like it was like a 3-day buzz.
It was just a little bit of it everywhere we went.
Pros.
Pros.
It is classic Netherlands.
Yeah, it is.
The canals, the boats, the bikes, all the stuff to do, the museums, just a beautiful city.
It was the most crowded city that we were in all of the Netherlands. And I'm not saying that's a positive or a negative, it just is. And then we left there and we went to Rotterdam. What do you think?
Rotterdam is everything that Amsterdam is not. The whole city is modern. There's only a couple of small areas that are really pre-1940s. So everything there is modern and just like ultra hyper modern.
I love that it wasn't overly touristy. I love that it felt like we were just watching people live. I love the markets. I felt like there was a market all the days that we were there.
Yeah.
And I love that it's a great hub for so many other places to go visit. Amsterdam and Rotterdam are both great hubs where you can easily hop on the train.
I think Amsterdam is to New York City what Rotterdam is to Chicago.
I would agree with that completely, but all on much smaller scales completely. And then the other cities that we showed you Kinderdijk. See, we're still saying it wrong. Kinderdijk. We showed you that.
Beautiful little village.
Windmill.
Definitely highly recommend that. Delft, also a lot of fun and like just going off to some small town. So that was really interesting. And now finishing here in Utrecht, which is kind of a combination of both Amsterdam and Rotterdam. It's hyper modern, as you can see behind us, right next door to something really old and interesting to look at too.
It has what was European's largest mall. That's what's going on behind us here. There are more places we could have shown you. We just ran out of time. Could have gone to Gouda, as we say in the United States, Gouda, Edam,
a whole bunch of other
towns. Don't know those are the cheese places. The Hague, I mean, there's just a lot of other places we could have shown you. Haarlem, could have shown you that as well. If you have time to come to the Netherlands, you easily have 2 weeks worth of places to see, and you're not going to spend all of your time traveling from town to town. It's really easy and quick to get around.
All right, make sure you check out all of our other travel videos. We've got a whole list linked here, and we'd love for you to take an adventure with us the next time you're looking to travel the world.
Thanks for watching, and hit subscribe and like so other people can find this video.